Okay. Can you dance? Wait, no, stay over there. Stay over there. I can't see you over here. Okay, can you do first position? Second position? Yeah. Back up a little bit. Back up. Stay back there. Good. Third position? Okay, put your hands up. Now do grand plie. Now do arabesque. Do it the other way. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. What do you say when you're all done? You say ta-da. 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 You want to wear that one too? Oh. Oh. It's not working. You got a lot of stuff on. Do a little dance. Wait, go. I'll fix it. I'll hold it. You do a little dance.
No, thank you.
There, it's beautiful.
No fall.
Don't fall.
No fall.
Can you do a little dance?
No.
You're all done? You what? Okay. You did it? Can you sing Jesus Loves Me? Little ones, they are weak, but yes, 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 Jesus loves me. That was pretty low. Nice. Okay, you want to do a little twinkle twinkle? Up like a twinkle. Ta-da! Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Miss you.
Miss you.
Love you.
Love you.
Can you kiss?
I have to see it.